And now, a nature introduction.
Nature. Oh, hey, nature. Didn't see you there.
This tree I'm standing on used to be alive. Wonder what happened to it.
Walking in a nice field. Look at that field. It's got grass and twigs.
This bee is pollen flower. Wonder where the flowers are.
Oh, there they are. Flowers are beautiful and nice.
Full of colors and leaves.
Trees are also nice. I mean, the way they turn colors, the way they stand, the way they blow in the breeze, the way their bark looks. It's nice to sit under in the summer. Very beautiful in the fall too.
I bet it's hunting for its food.
I as well am hunting for my food in this thick forest, covered in green and brown.
Bet that bird has a nest and a family.
That one probably does too. And those ants. But it's whatever, you know? It's nature.